friends, welcome to Information About Learning channel, and I am very apologized for not uploading videos for ages. And hereafter the video will be on time on all the day. And now we are going to see the importance of water and structure of carbohydrate molecule. And and before going to the video, let's think about water. When the water comes in our mind, there is lots of advantage and disadvantage in water. But the only thing is we are wasting the water for various reasons. That is, for example, we are wasting water for bathing, cleaning, and for all the household activities. But I'm going to share the reason that only water is the only reason that the living organism is surviving in our earth. That is, we are living in this noisy world. And before wasting the time, let's move into the video. And friends, here we are seeing the water. And do you know what you made up of? Did you know what you made up of? The most of the organism is made up of 80 percentage of water. Remember that or make a note of it. Almost all the organism is made up of 80 percentage of water. Even though the cytoplasm is composed of different substances in water. The cytoplasm is composed of different substances that is dissolved in water. And even the space between the cells, that is the gap between the cell, is also filled with watery liquids. And we all know that the chemical reactions take place in our body in all the time. Those reactions are called metabolism. And the metabolic reaction is only take place or occurs if the chemicals is dissolved in water. Chemical is nothing but like the enzymes. It is a compound that is used for chemical reaction. For example, enzymes is a chemical that is because that is used to break down the ca- the larger molecules, that is carbohydrate, protein, fats. So that is so chemicals. If the only metabolic reaction can take place, if the only the chemicals are dissolved in water. If it not, the cells may dry, and the cells dry out, and the reaction stops. The organism may die. The cell dry out, the reaction stops, and the organism may die. And this the water is the important solvent. So this is the reason that all water is important for all the living organism. And the water is also needed for other reasons. That is the plasma. Wait, wait, friends, I'll show you the image. Plasma, that is liquid part of the blood, contains lot of water. So the liquid part of the blood contains lot of water. So the substance like glucose can easily dissolve in it. Glucose is nothing but is a end product of carbohydrate. So the substance like glucose and oxygen can easily dissolve in it, and it is carried for cells, and the cells can carry their vital function. So that's why we are surviving here. And this is the reason that the cells can work. Cells can work. And the water is also need to dissolve enzymes in our alimentary canal. Elementary canal is nothing but the digestive system. So the water is needed to dissolve enzymes in the alimentary canal, so that the digestion may take place. So, and did you know there are three types of enzyme that can break down carbohydrate, protein, and fats. The amylase enzyme present in salivary gland and pancreas can break down carbohydrate into glucose or simple sugars. And the protease or pepsin enzyme present in hydrochloric acid, that is our stomach acid, uh, can break down protein into amino acids. And the fats, the fats and the lipase, the enzyme it is used to break down the fats, that is present in duodenum, that is the entrance of small intestine, a starting point of small intestine, present in duodenum, and break down fats and lipid into fatty acid and glycerol. So the water is needed to dissolve enzymes in alimentary canal, so that the digestion may take place, can take place. And the water is also needed for other reason, that the water is also used to get rid of waste. So we all know that the kidney holds the name called excretory system, because the kidney makes the forms urea and filters the blood, that is from the blood. So and when the water enters kidney, it forms urine with uric acid, that is urine is mixture of urea and the water. So it is used to get rid of waste from our body. So that is all for the importance of water. So hereafter, please conserve water for this reason, because the water is the reason that we are living in earth. So please conserve the water after watching this video, and share this video for the all your friends. And we are not in conclusion, we are still we are in the middle of the video. So we are going to see the structure of carbohydrate molecule. First, carbohydrate is one of the larger molecule in our body, and it is mostly present in rice, milk, bread, and yam. And yam means karnagalangu. Yam means karang. It is one of the vegetable. So carbohydrate is present in these things. And and carbohydrate contains oxygen, hydrogen, and carbon. So oxygen atom is sorry, carbohydrate atom contains oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen. Wait, friends, I will show the image. And uh, and I think here you are having the structure of carbohydrate molecule. So this is the chain, that is the carbon rings. So the chain is the chain like structure is there, no friends. This is called carbon rings. The carbon joined into rings, and the hydrogen and oxygen molecule is pointing out and into the rings. So the oxygen and hydrogen atom is also present in rings and outside of the rings. So the monosaccharide, so there are three structure of carbohydrate molecule, that is monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharide. Monosaccharide means that is the single ring, single carbohydrate ring is called monosaccharide. See here, this is the single ring, this is a single ring. So this single ring is called monosaccharide. And the monosaccharide is always tastes sweet. Monosaccharide is always tastes sweet, and it is soluble in water. So it tastes sweet. So the monosaccharide molecule is always sweet in taste and soluble in water. For example, glucose and simple sugars. So glucose tastes sweet, and it also uh, so the soluble in water. It dissolves in water. As I said before, the blood contains a lot of water. So the glucose, the blood contains some dissolved glucose, and the glucose is dissolved in water, can dissolve in water. And disaccharide carbohydrate molecule. And the example is sucrose and maltose. That is, sucrose is used to the sugar that is used for soft drinks, and the maltose is also used for that soft drinks. Sucrose and maltose, that is malt sugar. Sucrose used to soft drink, and maltose, that is malt sugar. And they do taste sweet, and they are also soluble in water like monosaccharide. So here the sucrose is dry saccharide molecule, because the two chain is connected. The two, here the carbon ring and here is the carbon ring. So the two carbon rings are connected. When the one when the one molecule join together, it makes disaccharide molecule, disaccharide carbohydrate molecule. So they do taste the sweet, and they are soluble in water. For example, sucrose and maltose. And the third is the polysaccharide molecule. For example, starch and glycogen. Starch is nothing but that is mm, the glucose, which synthesized by plants. From the process called photosynthesis, is converted into starch and stored in the cytoplasm of the plants. So the glucose that is from the photosynthesis is converted into starch and stored in our plant cytoplasm. And glycogen is nothing but it is a carbohydrate which is converted into glycogen, and that is stored in our animal body or our human body. So glycogen will be in our body, starch will be in our plant's body. So polysaccharide molecule is when a group of simple sugars group together and forms polysaccharide carbohydrate molecule. And example, starch and glycogen, they are the polysaccharide molecule. And even the protein is also polysaccharide molecule, because it is made up of the small molecules arranged end to end to make large molecule. And those small molecules are called amino acids. I am saying about the protein. So here we are now, we are move on to uh, polysaccharide molecule. So they do not taste sweet. They do not taste sweet, and they are insoluble in water. Mean they are not dissolved in water. So that's all for today, friends. With this, I'll conclude. Uh, so that's all for today, friends. With this, I'll conclude. I think it takes. I think it takes lots of time. That is 10 minutes. So yeah, I one day, friends. So we'll see you on meet up in next video. So bye, bye, friends.